How to appeal TikTok ban. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain on how to appeal a TikTok ban. So first of all, you need to create a new TikTok account since you cannot use a banned account. So after creating the new account, go to your profile section and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Locate support in the bad section and then tap on report a problem, which is the initial option over here. When the interface loads, scroll down again and then click on chat with us option. In the chat type, report a problem and send it. The bot will respond with a submit a ticket button. Click this button to initiate your appeal to the TikTok support team. Now, in your appeal, include your banned account's username and explain briefly that it was banned incorrectly. You can also attach evidence like screenshots or videos to support your claim. And once you're ready, click on Submit to send your ticket to the TikTok support. They typically review tickets and respond within 2 to 3 days. And if your account was indeed banned for an incorrect reason, they'll likely unban it. So that's how you can appeal a TikTok ban. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.